In other words, I can't live without power at my house. I've got a computer, TV, everything else that everyone has. If we didn't have electricians, I'd be in a tough bind if my power went down.
For sure.
Same thing with my HVAC, which was repaired today. Not by yours truly, but somebody came out there and determined what was wrong, and they're coming back with replacement parts. But we can't live in Las Vegas without cooling.
Absolutely
And
not.
God forbid, on the 2 days a year that we're freezing in our homes, the heater works. So, very, very essential jobs, and I love that those are available.